Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Roy Mulanda. All you alright? Yes, alright. Today in our Science 5, we are going to discuss identify the characteristics of physical and chemical change. Physical properties of matter. Hardness. It is the ability of a material to be rigid and resist pressure that may cause deformation or change in its shape. Hard materials like metal and wood can be used to construct buildings, bridges, or other infrastructure. Brittleness. Not all hard materials are unbreakable. Though there are solid materials that, when subjected to high stress or pressure, crumble or break easily. Glass and porcelain are brittle and can break when dropped or slammed against a hard surface or object. However, some can still be useful even when they break. Flexibility. It is the ability of a material to be bent without breaking. Some plastics and metals exhibit flexibility. Flexible objects like thin metal wires and plastic strings can be used for tying or binding objects and things. Elasticity. It is the ability of a material to be stretched and then return to its original shape after. A rubber band is an example of an elastic material. Conductivity. It is the ability of a material to allow heat and electricity pass through it. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Examples are materials made of metals and aluminum such as spoon, iron bar, and copper wire. Water is also a good conductor of heat. Malleability. Gold can be hammered into flat sheets until the desired shape of jewelry is obtained. This property is called malleability. Silver, iron, and aluminum are examples of malleable materials. Ductility. Some metals also exhibit ductility or the ability to be drawn into thin wires. This is why most of the electrical wirings are made up of metals. Porosity. Some materials, such as paper and cloth, can absorb liquid well. These materials exhibit porosity. Porous materials have plenty of spaces inside where liquid can be absorbed. Example are sponge, ponys rocks, or soil, etc. Chemical properties of matter. Combustibility. It is the ability of a material to burn, while flammability is the ability of material to ignite or catch fire easily. Alcohol is an example of combustible material. It burns when it reacts with light matchsticks. Other examples of combustible materials are wood, sawdust, dried leaves, paper, wax, gasoline, kerosene, oil, thinner, and varnish. Evidences of chemical change. 1. Formation of new product. When a nail is exposed to oxygen and water, rust forms on its surface. Once rust is formed, the original material is unidentifiable. Second, formation of gas. This evidence usually coincides with the formation of a new product. When a material is burning, gas in the form of smoke is released together with the formation of ashes. When baking soda is mixed with vinegar, bubbles are formed as the baking soda starts to curdle or form lumps. Third, release of heat. There are instances when chemical chains result in the sudden heating or cooling of a material. When a metal is soaked in an acid, heat is released as the metal starts to wear away due to the acid stains. Thank you for watching. Please follow and subscribe. Bye.